Hi everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel. I am Tri, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a very cool paper airplane, a spaceship paper airplane, and it is easy to fold. To make the paper airplane, you need an origami paper, a piece of origami paper. You can also trim a used letter size paper into a square piece of paper and make it. So basically you just need a square sheet of paper to fold the paper airplane. Now let me show you guys how to fold the paper airplane. First of all, let me flip the paper over and fold it in half this way. And repeat the same fold. Create another fold. Start from this side. Fold it to the other side. And then fold the paper in half by matching the corner to this corner to the other corner. And one more fold, start from this corner, fold straight to the other corner. Let's hold the paper up and match the corner together, and then just press it and pull down. Okay, before we do the next step, let's fold the paper in half again. Flip the paper over, fold it in half, and fold the paper in half one more time. Same thing, match this corner to the other corner, press down the paper, repeat the same fold, start from this corner, match it to the other corner. So press it down. Alright, so let's turn the paper over and put the paper this way. Now we have so many creases, but don't get confused because the fold, the next fold is pretty easy. Now just start from this crease, match this crease to the center crease by folding it like this, and then fold this side out, and you can match this corner to the lower corner, the corner below. Same thing for the other side. Let's fold this crease, the crease right here, to the center crease, and this is what you should have. Then you can fold the whole part on the top down. Now I will start from the upper layer, start from this corner, I fold straight to the tip, and then repeat the same fold for the other side. So for both sides, just do the same step. On the following step, let's start from this corner again and fold straight to this point. And then repeat the same fold for the opposite side. It is almost done. Now let's fold this whole part to the other side, and you will turn the paper this way, and then turn the paper this way. This is what you should have, and you have one layer and the other layer, a small layer on below. Just leave it there. Match this edge to the center crease, and then this layer will pop out. That's fine, just pull it out, pull out. Okay, just pull it out and match this edge to the other edge. And fold the layer back. Repeat the same fold for this side. Let's fold the whole layer up and match this edge to the center crease. Now same thing, just fold this one, pull it out. Now you just finished the small wings of the paper airplane. Let's do the bigger wings of the paper airplane. Let me fold this layer to the other side, and then I'll match this edge to the center crease. And I can use this intersection, the intersection of this edge with the other edge here. Use this point as a preference, and I'll fold this part out to create the wings. But to create the wings, I will leave about a quarter of an inch from this corner along this edge to create a stabilizer later on. So very simple. And I'll fold this layer back here. Same thing, I'll fold this one back, and I'll use this point as a preference again. So fold it like this and use this point as a preference to create the wings. Yep. And for this one back to hold the wings together. And now let's flip the paper over and fold in half. Now this is what you should have, and then I'll fold it in half. Alright, and on the following step, let's start from this edge, fold it to the other edge to create the wings. So you have the whole part here with 1, 2, 3 layers, and fold the 3 layers to the edge to create the wings. Okay. When you fold it, do not need to fold it straight to the tip. Just leave about a quarter of an inch so that the plan will look nicer. Same thing. Now when you finish one side, let's flip the paper over. This is what you should have, and then fold the paper, fold the wings. So 3 layers, fold down, matches to the other side. And here you go. This is the paper airplane. It has the 2 small wings on the top and 2 big wings on the bottom. This is the time to create the stabilizers by folding this part up. So just fold it up to create the stabilizer for both sides. Yep. And at the end of the wings, at the end here, let's fold it down. You can use this edge as a preference, and estimate about have a quarter of an inch or almost 1 centimeter for it down like this. You may need to adjust it a little bit because we want this edge parallel with the center crease, the center of the paper airplane, so adjust it a little bit. Yeah, adjust it. Same thing for this side. You can adjust it later. So if the paper airplane doesn't fly well, you may need to fix the stabilizer. The last step is to create the elevators. So at the end here, let's make a pinch. Just pinch and fold it up. Same thing for this side. Just fold it up to create the stabilizers. Also just pinch it out to create the elevators. And also the stabilizer does not need to be perpendicular to it does not need to be perpendicular. Okay, so the stabilizer may pull out a little bit, and this is still okay. Okay, you can adjust it later. And to throw the paper airplane, let's hold it right here at the center of the plane. You see the intersection of this edge and the other edge, hold it right here, and throw the paper airplane lightly inside of the house. This is not an outdoor paper airplane because it is so small. If you throw it outdoor, it will not fly well at all. And here you go. This is the new Starship. I hope you guys will enjoy making the paper airplane. If you do give the video thumb ups, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for supporting. See you next time. Bye.